Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Join me on a breathtaking journey to the Rivière d'Annemasse in the charming town of Étrembières, France. Nestled between lush greeny and the majestic Alpine foothills. If this is your first time coming across my page, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more related videos. Okay. Whispering what?
Hello.
Okay.
Sit down. Try to listen to what I'll say. I'm whispering to you. Do your ears like this. No, I'm whispering, so it's going to travel like this.
Okay. I heard you. Oh my god. You said come. Your head is good too.
And you see, I'm covering my mouth.
Yeah.
But the way it's shaped, sounds travels.
Oh, this serene river offers a perfect escape into nature's tranquility. Watch as the crystal clear waters flow gracefully, reflecting their surroundings, while the soft whispers of the breeze create a soothing melody. Whether you're a nature lover, a traveler seeking hidden gems, or simply someone who appreciates beauty, this video will transport you to a place of peace and relaxation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Bye!